In this video, I wrecked my Cummins, not once, but twice. So we are in four-wheel drive with working four-wheel drive, but because these tires are so bad, and tires are what make all the difference, you can see there's just nothing. And if I go foot all the way on the brake, this is what happens. No stop. All slide. Keep in mind, this is in four-wheel drive, not even two. I would understand kicking the back end out in the snow with two-wheel drive, but no, this thing's in four. Luckily, we don't have to do any high-speed antics in order to have fun, but I've had enough fun on my home road that I'm gonna go to the next road over, the next mile over, play on that road a little bit. Hopefully get some out of truck footage of me coming at you and evading away from you, going completely sideways. So we got the homies crossing. Go, baby, go! Anyway, my stupid self thought I could do a three-point turn right here, and I think we're stuck. Maybe not, we'll see, but I think we're stuck. So I was trying to do a little skiddy skid with these junk tires. The truck's back there, and I wasn't even that far off the road. And then it just decided to pull me into the ditch. I didn't have the best control. And so I'm in a ditch now. We got to walk home to get another truck. But fortunately, we got trucks. So we'll get her out. Oh man. This is a little bit of a pain. But oh well. At least it's not too far from my house. I think I see her. Want to? We got Goon Patrol pulling up with the goon himself. Really revving her out, eh? Here she is. Good old girl. Should we try it again? Yeah, we will.
Is that back wheel? That back wheel's barely touching.
Yeah, it is barely touching. Oh man, we'll spin around.
What the hell did you just do a 3.1?
I don't want to get stuck
Oh my god, I did not notice that.
again. She's buried. Oh my god.
Oh, your front. Jesus. I don't think I've ever seen something that buried.
Okay, so we got the chain in here. We're gonna connect it. Okay, give this a look. We are squatting low. I tell you what, we are buried. We are really, really buried. So she's a little snowy. We got traffic. We're trying to follow Parky. That was easy. We got her. Rescue patrol. So there was a little bit of the fun that I had over the winter with the Cummins, putting it into 2 different ditches and then also having some fun, spinning some snow off the tires, enjoying the thing. And that is a huge part of the game. It's not only finding good vehicles, good deals, but also enjoying them, using them, having fun with them. So if you're interested in learning how to get vehicles that you can not only profit on or drive for free, but also enjoy while you do it and learn how to mod for free, then click the link down below to the Automotive Arbitrage program. Drop a like if you like the video, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.